I'm Mike McGuire, National Sales Manager at Shibaura Machine. Welcome to IMTS 2026. Visit us in the South Building, booth 339424. We're showcasing the BTD 200QS horizontal boring milling center, a rigid, heavy-duty platform built for stable, high-accuracy machining and high metal removal on large prismatic parts. With a FANUC Series Plus controller, a large work zone, and a high-capacity rotary table, it's designed to hold tight tolerances across long cuts, multi-phase operations. For higher throughput, our demo machine features a 2-pallet automatic pallet changer so you can load one pallet while machining continues on the other, reducing idle time and boosting utilization. We're also introducing our state-of-the-art nano ultra-precision machining centers to the U.S. market for applications like optics, medical devices, semiconductors, and pressed dies, including our UVM platform with Form I tool measurement, Shape I tool path compensation to address tool geometry error at the source. And don't miss the world premiere of the Callum, our newest ultra-precision model with 1 micron resolution, 50 meter per minute axis speeds, a 40,000 RPM spindle, and a standard 5-axis configuration designed to be automatic workpiece changer ready. Whether you're focused on uptime, accuracy, or smarter automation, stop by our booth 339424. We'd love to talk through your applications and goals. Thanks, and we'll see you at the show in September.